If you've been watching my videos in this channel, then you would also have watched this video that says accept your child just as how he or she is. Now let's touch upon a spiritual angle to this. So how can you actually accept anybody just as how they are, right? Because I have this question, a very genuine question, you could say, that they're not doing something which you know it's not right. How can you just accept that, right? So if you are with me until the end of this video, you will get your answers to this big question. Hello and welcome to this video with me, Sujaya. Now, let's see what is acceptance, and then how can you actually go deep into it. When a person has done something which you do not approve of, when a person has done something which you do not like it to be done, then maybe you can, there are two ways. You could be judgmental, you could be saying, no, this is wrong, no, this is right, you shouldn't be doing this, you shouldn't be doing that. Or you could be accepting that person and then get into a discussion, get into a conversation, and then chalk out various paths or various insights or pros and cons of what were the choices, what were the options, and why did that person choose to do this at that point of time. And maybe your child has actually thought that, okay, this would be better at this point of time. There was a thought process inside your child's mind, right, to pick that course of action. So that is where you have to connect with your child. Yes, this is what acceptance does to you and your child. It makes you connect with your child. First things first. Acceptance makes you connect with your child, makes you establish the trust with your child. The child has, there is a situation here, and according to you, maybe there are three choices for the course of action that could be taken. But from the child's perspective, maybe there was just one choice, right? And the child has done that. And then whatever the child has done, maybe you do not approve of. Maybe it's right according to your it's wrong in your perspective. That's fine. Yes, you can come to it. You can come to it. But when you are jumping to judge what the child has done, and when you're jumping to label it as wrong, label it as bad, the connection part is missed out. Whereas when you first accept the child with whatever your child has done, good, bad, right, wrong, yes, I still accept you just as how you are. No, it's not that only if you finish your meal, you are a good girl or you are a good boy, right? So when you start to accept your child, you have laid the foundation to connect with your child. Because once you start to accept your child and then you acknowledge with whatever the child has done, the choice A, right? According to you, there were three choices, and according to the child, there was only one choice. According to means from the different perspectives, that's all. Now, you get into a conversation with your child and try to understand what was his thought patterns which made him pick this choice, the course of action of choice A, and why did he choose that. So once you are getting into a conversation and doing that, you are establishing trust with your child. Your child starts to trust you. Oh my God, my parent doesn't say I'm a bad boy just because I picked the screen, or just because I'm watching videos, I'm not bashed down, or just because maybe I'm not able to eat the entire meal, I'm not scolded. My parent accepts me is a trust that gets established in the child, between the child and the parent. And the child starts to open up. Yes, the child starts to open up. No, mama, maybe your child hit somebody in the neighborhood, and even before understanding, maybe if you are again judgmental, we may not connect with the child, we may not get to the root cause of what was the thought pattern running in your child's mind which made him hit that child, right? So the point is this: once you accept the child and you are like saying, yes, I accept you with whatever you have done. Now, can I understand more of what was running in your mind and why did you have to choose that course of action? And then you can get into any kind of depths, like what were the other choices at that point of time. Maybe you had in your mind there were other two options, right? and then what are the pros and cons of each action, course of action, and then why is something wrong according to you and why is something right according to you, and according to your child, does the child think it is right or does the child think it is wrong? Let that come out of the child. Yet, yes. So when you start to accept your child, the first thing is you start to connect with your child. You lay a foundation of trust with your child, in your child, or the child feels trusted. Yes, the child feels trusted in you. And then you are empowering the child to actually decide what is right and what is wrong, meaning the child is actually using his thinking skills to actually understand, okay, when I do this, this will go wrong. If I don't do my homework, then this is a consequence and that is a consequence. So maybe this is a better course of action at this point of time. Let the child think it out. Yes, you're doing that. And then spiritually speaking, let me just give you a little insight on the spirituality angle of this acceptance. So again, when a person has done something which is not right according to you, which you do not approve of, maybe the child, maybe another person, maybe your spouse, maybe your parent, maybe your parent-in-law, whoever it is, your sibling or whoever it is, there is an experience that got created at that point of time, right? The experience is life has given you certain experience between you and that person, and there is something which you're not liking. Yes, that's fine. You're not liking it, that's fine. I'm not forcing you. Don't get started on that. Yes, it's not about, okay, how they're doing something which is not, it is injustice. How can I like that action? No, it's not about that. So when you, okay, bringing in a spirituality angle here, there is something that the person has done. That means life is giving you a certain experience with that person. And when you are accepting all the experiences that life is giving to you, that universe is giving to you, you are affirming to the universe, you are affirming to life that yes, I accept this is some experience that you are trying to give, you are giving me, and I am open to learn something from this experience. Yes, it's not just with a child again. With anybody, anything that anybody has done, you got to start accepting however they are. If you start disliking, if you start piling up revenge against that person just because that person has done something, it doesn't help you. It doesn't help that person. It doesn't help the relation that's there between you and that person. So spiritually speaking, you noticed some, you had that experience, just that you had that experience with that person because life is giving you that experience, that specific experience. The universe is giving something to you, and once you start accepting that experience, you will start learning something from that experience. Your mind will open up for a much greater growth and in a faster period of time. Because when you're not accepting that experience, life keeps giving you similar experiences repeatedly. Yes, life keeps giving you similar experiences repeatedly until you start accepting that person and you learn something from that experience and you work on yourself to come out of any kind of revenge or any kind of anger that you kept piling until that point of time. Yes, this is true. So you got to start accepting all the experiences that life is giving to you. It is not just about accepting that person, okay, how can I actually be okay with that person doing it? Yes, maybe you're not okay, but you need not pile up that revenge, you need not judge that person, you need not you need not go into that judgmental way. Accepting is just the opposite of judgment. Whatever has happened, let me accept that, that's all.